Alright guys, as you can see, our project is almost modeled and it's ready to furnish on the paper. Actually, I have prepared already one sheet that is going to be final for I think for the submission for this one, but it's not yet final. We are have a lot of things to uh, put on the model, so we need to put first before we uh, finalize it on the paper. So okay, for this one, so the comment for this one, I think the positive pressure, and for that we need to put some concrete louver blocks around this sukalo. So what are we going to make is the louver louver blocks family for this one. So okay, let's do that. For that one, we're going to make the new family, and I think it's metric curtain wall panel. So, okay, and for this one, we're going to make the create uh, extrusion. So make this 200 and 200, 200. Okay, so okay. Yeah, and the extrusion is 200. Check. Okay, into 3D. So there is going to be our Louver blocks. So we're going to the left elevation, and I think we need to align this one so it will be okay. So align. Okay, so for that we need to I think to create again the void extrusion. So for that one, offset na lang 25. 25. Okay. Okay. And okay. It is back to 0. So 45 degree, 45 trim, and trim. I think we can delete this one. So make a line. Oops. Line. Okay. So check. Cut. Yeah. So if we go to the, I think to the 3D for this one, to view. So this one. So the reference level should be, I think we need to make some reference plane offset by 25. 25 and 25. So line, block, align, and block. Okay, so this it will be our louver, and not yet finished. So another, go to the left, reference plane by 25 and 25. Select mirror and move. Oops. Try by 25. My 25. So, and I think it's, yeah. Mhm. Edit extrusion.
Magbabago ka ba ng ceiling board doon? O as is? Ano siya? Lahat. Lahat. Pero hindi papatan. Yung mga sarado.
So, let's check. Then left. Okay. 25. And that's it.
Yung may mga yung hindi gagalawin na rooms.
So we're going to save this one to save as family as I think it's on the documents, so it will be easy to find documents. And also no Revit. Where's the Revit file? Yeah. And this Louver blocks. Louver blocks. Save. And save. And load and close. So okay, let's try if it is going to work. So try to make a wall. No, fine. So I'm going to change this to curtain wall. As you can see, and going to edit. We're going to change this to Louver blocks and make this 200. Fix distance and the horizontal. I think the horizontal is in the fixed distance and make this also 200. Okay. See, so this is going to be the Louver. So okay, click this line. Click that line. Yeah. 3D model and you see it's indicated as a Louver for this project. So back to floor plan, put in a hidden line and then only hidden, so it will become light for our computer. Okay, so next is I'm going to make the other one. So okay, let's see. There you go. Now the Louver is installed, and I think um, this is almost done. Okay, thank you guys for watching and see you on the next video. Thank you. Please subscribe.